In this video, I'll show you step by step how to promote Amazon affiliate links on Facebook and make daily commissions without running ads. I have been using Facebook groups and smart post strategies to drive traffic to Amazon products people are already searching for. No website, no followers, and no niche skills needed. Just copy paste post that converts. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I do it step by step so you can start earning with Amazon's affiliate program today. And let's get started. Make sure to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this, okay? Anyway, for people who want to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing and promote Amazon affiliate links on Facebook groups or Facebook, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. So step number one, go to Google and search for Amazon Associate. Click on the first link over here and you will be in this page. Click on sign up, then you will click here on create your Amazon account. And as you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple, and of course it's for free. You just need to put your first and last name, your email address, password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Amazon Associate or Amazon Affiliate program. What you will do next is you need to choose a good product that you will start promoting on Facebook to earn a commission. So what you will do next, you will go and open your Amazon.com account like this, okay? And we will search for, click on the search and search for dogs, okay? Search for dogs. We will promote dogs products, okay? Scroll down and here you go. You will find here a lot of products from different sellers that they are selling those products on Amazon. For you as an Amazon affiliate marketer, you need to choose good products. So how you can choose good products? Always choose products that got at least over 1,000 sales in the past month, okay? So for example, we have this one. This one is looking good. Like those products here, they are good products. Look at this one, for example, for dogs. This one, over 10,000 people paid for this one in the past month, meaning that this product is working and people, they love this product and they are interested and they are paying for like those products. Look at this one here. This one, over 6,000 people paid for this one in the past month, okay? We have this one, over 20k people paid for this one in the past month. If I scroll more, you have a lot, okay? So for example, I'm gonna choose, guys, this one here. Let me see, for example, like this one, okay? Over 10,000 people paid for this one. So I will choose this product. I will click on the product here. Just click on the product that you want to promote on Facebook and you will be directly in this product page on Amazon, okay? What you need to do next is you need to click on this picture. We need to use this picture. So just click on the picture of this product here, this one, okay? Double click and click on save image, okay? And save this picture to your laptop like this. And what you will do next, you will go and open your Facebook account, okay? Go to Facebook and open your Facebook account and click on the search here and search for dogs, okay? You have here filters, scroll down, click on groups, okay? We need Facebook groups and you will find a lot of Facebook groups about dogs. You will scroll more. So let me see. So for private groups, you guys need to join those private groups like this one. So for public groups, that's fine. You can use those groups even if you didn't join those groups, okay? So let me find, for example, let's pick this group here, love dogs, okay? So because people who are joining those groups, they are interested and they have dogs, okay? So they will be interested to buy products related to dogs. So what you will do next, if I scroll down, you can see you will find people posting their dogs pictures in this group, okay? You see this? And we have a lot. You see this one? And here is another one. Just posted this post. Any tip on training a puppy to sleep at night? You see, people have dogs here and they are posting their pictures, so they will be interested to buy those Amazon products about dogs. So for you, what you will do next, you will click here on write something and click over here on photo and click on this icon here and upload the picture of the product that you download from Amazon. This one, click on open, and here you go. This is my picture. So we need to create a good post that we will use to promote our Amazon affiliate products on this Facebook group. So what I will do next, I will go back to this product page on Amazon, and I will copy this title like this. Okay, you have also, if you scroll down, you have a description here. So I will just copy this title. I will use just the title, and I will go to ChatGPT. Go and open ChatGPT account. Click here on Ask Anything and ask ChatGPT to turn this Amazon product title into Facebook. Okay, into Facebook post description, okay, that I can use to promote this product. Okay, to promote this product and include my website link. Okay, and they will put this product title here, this Amazon product title. I will click over here, and here you go. You will get a good post description. Do you see this? Which is really amazing. Okay, so what you will do, you will copy this, just copy this description and go back to Facebook and put this description here, paste. Okay, exactly like this. You have here your website link, and here for you, you will put your Amazon affiliate link. So you will go back to Facebook, go back to your Amazon account, to this Amazon product page, click here on get link to get your affiliate link. This is your affiliate link. Copy this link like this, go back to Facebook and put your affiliate link here. Okay, and here you go. You see this? We have good description, we have the product picture. So what you will do next, you just need to click on post, and your post will be published in this group. People who has dogs, they will be interested to buy this product from you. If they buy the product, you earn a commission, and you have a limited of Facebook groups that you guys can use to promote your Amazon affiliate links on Facebook for free, with free traffic. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.